Welcome back, friends, and today we have this little knife review or a multi-tool review I'd like to go over. As you can see, it's a Leatherman, the Leatherman Squirt. Here's the box. We'll open it up. This comes with the instructions and the literature, information about it. And here we are, the Leatherman Squirt. Close length is 2¼ inches and the weight is 1.9 ounce. I like this, and you can see you can hook it up to your keychain if you'd like, or a lanyard of some sort. I like this because it has the pliers here. Comes useful. You can pretty much use pliers for a lot of functions, from improvise nut cracker or to loosen some nuts on in fact I had to use it, or use not these but different pliers for to loosen some nuts on a car battery. But if I would have had this, I definitely would have used it. And close, pretty easy, just close it up. Here we have a blade, non-locking, comes about 1½ inch. Very sharp. It's a chisel grind, meaning that one side is sharpened and the other side is pretty much flat. It might have a tiny little edge on the side, but you have your main side here. Got a little nail nick here. Like I said, non-locking. And on the other side, you just have a file here. Want to pretty up your fingernails, or if you got a little hangnail, you can file it down. Again, non-locking. Then on the other side of the handle, you got with here like a little flat tip, flathead screwdriver, or you could use light prying if you need to pry something, maybe some staples. Here you got a bottle opener. Here you got like a tiny little flathead, maybe for eyeglasses. Those tiny little screws, and I guess you could use it for like a little punch. If you need to punch into some leather, it would work. And what's really nice, it has a very effective scissors. Granted, you're not going to be cutting a lot of stuff, but if you need to maybe cut your fingernails, or cut like a piece of string off your clothes, and you don't want to pull on the string, you can use these to cut the fabric or cut the little piece of string. Very easy to get the tools out. Again, none of the tools locks. And there you have it, the Leatherman Squirt. Thank you very much, and have a great day, friends.